I am Sayukta, and today we are going to be learning to draw a really fun pattern, I would say, and the name of the pattern is jetties. If you have ever seen a cricket ball, the pattern jetties resembles somewhat a cricket ball. So what I have drawn is an orb, and I will be drawing two diagonal lines, two lines cutting across this orb, and an aura adjoining these two lines, right? And I am going to be filling up this band that I have drawn in between the orb with ink. So jetty as a pattern is also called a drama pattern. Why? Because it has bold inked portions. So this band is generally filled in black ink, and that's how the basic pattern jetties looks. So an orb, two lines cutting across, and an aura joining these two lines, and you can fill up this band the way you want. The basic pattern is like this. This is a tangulation, right? So we are going to be drawing this pattern today. This is my square tile, and I am doing away with the borders, just starting my pattern right away. Going to be drawing these orb shapes of different sizes, right? And now we are going to be filling up these shapes. Right? So I am starting with one of these orbs, adding a band. Let's do this exercise first in all the orbs, right? So two lines cutting across, diagonal lines, and then an aura with each of these lines. So repeating the exercise with all the orbs that I have drawn. This band that I have drawn in between gives you ample opportunities to create variations and tangulations, although with the original pattern the band is generally inked with the highlight added, right? So I'll be showing you how to add a highlight also. So we are almost done with drawing the bands. Now that we have drawn a band across all the orbs, we are now going to be adding something different in each of these bands, right? So here I have added orbs we have already learned to draw the pattern printums, so you can also add the tangle printums here. Right. Another one with simple orbs. And a dot in between. Right. So the basic pattern is actually this, wherein you ink the band, and if you want to give a highlight, then you leave a small portion in between. Right. So this is called adding a highlight. While inking, you leave a small band uninked so as to give it the look of a sparkle or a highlight, right? So I'm going to be showing you a few more like that. Inking the band and leaving a small portion in between to give the look of a shine or a highlight, right? Again, leaving a small portion there. You can also alternatively ink the entire portion. Right. So I have added a highlight again. Going to be adding these orbs. And a dot in between. I am just using the pattern that we have already learned, right? You can fill it up in a number of different ways. So you can also use a triangle shape, right? Like that. Again, repeating the same. Right. Using simple orbs. Again, using the triangle shape. So there's just one more left. Tangles which involve a lot of inking are generally called drama tangles because they immediately give a lift to your tile, right? So now that we have done with decorating our bands, what I am going to do is I am going to give an outline to my jetties. Right. Just adding an aura or an outline to my jetties. doing the same exercise with all my jetties. Adding an outline. Right, so we are almost done. Now what I am going to do is I am going to be coloring, adding black ink to the leftover white portion so as to highlight my jetties. Right, so now that we have outlined our jetties, I'm just going to be inking the leftover portion, just adding small orbs here and there, which I'll leave white while I'm inking the rest of the tile. Right, so as you can see, I have added these small orbs randomly, and now I am going to be inking the leftover portion. So I have picked up my Micron 08. I'm going to fill up the entire space which is left behind with my 08. Right, see here, I have inked half of the tile with my 08 and I have left the remaining half of the tile white. Right, so now we are going to be shading our jetties. So you can go about shading jetties in two ways. You can either shade along these two lines, right, like this, or you can shade on one side like this. There are other ways also of shading jetties, but we will be shading jetties on one side. Right, so I am going to be shading jetties this way. So going to add graphite on one of the sides and then going to blend it. Right, so you can also add graphite on these bands and then blend it. So I am adding graphite on one of the sides of the orbs and then going to blend it. You can find out a third way of shading also. As I told you earlier also, there is no standard way of shading. It's open to exploration. So now that I have added graphite on all my orbs, I'm going to be blending it. With a gentle hand, just smudging the graphite. Keeping the ends little dark and blending the rest of the graphite. Right, so if you can see, I can trying to keep the ends a little dark and blending the rest. Jetties, as I told you, is a real fun pattern. When I saw this pattern, I thought of the cricket ball, and within no time I could. If you wish, you can add some shading to these orbs also, but I think I'll leave it here. I've added my initial, right, and now I'm going to sign and date it. So take a moment to appreciate your tile. Such a simple pattern to draw, and you can see how the tile looks. So that's the beauty of Zentangle. We'll meet again with another Zentangle original pattern. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.